Why, hello there. So, I just wanted to show you guys a quick demo on how I clean my brushes. Let's call it the smart way of cleaning your brushes efficiently. You know, you have to work smarter and not harder all the time. So, I am using this brush cleaner from TRUEGLAM. It's a makeup brush cleaner and it comes in two different sizes. It's fast drying. It really does clean the brushes and sterilize the brushes at the same time, because sometimes if you're a makeup artist, you really need a product that's going to not only clean your brushes but sterilize it as well. It's perfect for everyday users, like people who wear makeup, makeup artists, influencers, beauty enthusiasts, whoever dives into makeup. I recommend this product. Like, we've not even gotten fully into the demo and I'm just telling you guys, like, seriously, if you want your brushes to be cleaned properly and to also be hygienic, I would definitely recommend this brush cleaner. As you guys can see, as I just spray onto the brush and I swirl it on a kitchen towel, you can see how all the makeup comes off the brush. Like, literally, it cleans my brushes so well. So if you're a makeup artist and you're in between slays, you can definitely use this. You don't have to buy all the makeup brushes in the world. You just need to work smarter. Get a good brush cleaner. It's going to take away all the makeup, all the eye makeup, face makeup, whatever the case may be, so that you can use the brushes on other models. And as I said, it does sterilize your brushes as well. So you are ticking that hygiene box as well. So I'm just showing you guys some of my dirtiest like eye brushes, because your girl's not out here trying to wash brushes. If you know me, you know the one thing I hate about this makeup thing is brush cleaning. Like, I can buy brush sets just to avoid cleaning it. That is how bad I hate cleaning brushes. So yeah, if you're anything like me, you absolutely love this brush cleaner. And the reason why I love this one so much is because it's really fast drying. I have used the MAC one and it is really good, but it's not as fast drying as this one is. And this one, you can already tell the way it takes off the makeup from the brush, it takes off stains as well, which I absolutely love. So I'm just showing you guys one of my face brushes. It's a white bristle brush, and as you can see, it's just cleaning and taking up all the powder, all the face makeup. And I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like once I have cleaned it. And you can see from the kitchen towel that there's nothing else coming off the brush. It's literally clean. And I'm going to show you guys all the makeup that I took off the brushes. Like, ew. Absolutely ew. So yeah, if you haven't checked out TRUEGLAM, make sure that you do. As I said, it comes in two different bottle sizes. And no, I'm not being paid for this. I just love this product. And if you hate washing brushes, then you're gonna love it as well. So yeah.